6 in 10 Canadians are struggling with either overweight or obesity. So if you are not struggling with weight, you are in the minority now in Canada. Those have very significant implications because we know that people that are overweight and obese are more likely to suffer other chronic comorbid conditions, which ultimately impact how long people are living and the quality of their life. Hello, my name is Lesley Lutes. I'm an Associate Professor and Director of Clinical Training in the Department of Psychology at the University of British Columbia on the Okanagan campus. My interest is in really developing innovative and alternative treatments for obesity. About 15 years ago, I started developing a program called Small Changes, and it really looks at the person as where they're at right now. And we try to look at changes nutritionally and activity-wise, and also emotionally and behaviorally to help them relative to their current life. Because I'm a clinical health psychologist, I really had that passion for understanding both the psychology and the physiology side of it. When I talk about the psychological factors, that it's difficult for people to restrict all of those French fries and the cake that they want and having none of it, well, psychologically that works against people wanting to eat those foods, so traditional dieting doesn't work in that way. We're also finding that there's metabolic or physiologic adaptations that are very potentially negative by using a very restrictive dietary focus for weight long term. I've just submitted my first grant in Canada to CHR, in which I've developed collaborations with multiple people across Canada, a leading physician, an exercise physiologist. We're really looking to bring the research that I've been doing for the past 15 years in the US to Canada, looking at, for the health of Canadians, biologically, psychologically, and socially, what is working, what isn't, and what kind of programs can we develop and tailor for different groups of individuals that will work for them long term.